Let's begin by importing your program data, created in Excel, into Snaptrude. You can start creating your space layouts by importing your template program file from the Import section under your project name dropdown. Alternatively, you can access this directly from the area's dashboard under the Import Program button. Next, select the Program Data option and download the template Excel file. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open it and fill in your program data. Be sure to read the instructions before you start filling in the data. For our example, we're creating a residential block, so we've laid out information for spaces pertaining to that. This includes space labels, area for spaces, count, and departments for better categorization. After laying out this information, save the template Excel file and browse or drag and drop it into your system here. This will import the Excel directly into the project. If necessary, you can change the units before importing to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click on Import to complete the process. Upon completion, you'll see the spaces laid out according to the data created in the imported template CSV. To analyze and study it further, open the Program tab. In the Program tab, you can continue working and editing by changing target values, room count, dimensions, or assigning specific stories to these spaces directly from the program mode. You can also use the AI prompter to make changes to the program. As soon as you prompt the changes, you'll see them reflected in the program. This way, you can import your program directly from Excel into the project and start working and editing in the program mode. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to block and stack these spaces to create a concept model.